Glass skin sounds like a 10-step Korean beauty scam. But for a guy, it simply means a hydrated, smooth, and reflective nice skin that's not dusty or crusty. So today, I'm to show you how to get that glass skin that you're yearning for. First, damp skin. Never apply lotion on a bone dry skin. You need to apply that lotion on a slightly damp skin. When I say damp skin, what I mean is, for instance, you're from showering. When that skin is still a little bit moist, why should you do this? This traps that extra water off your skin and it just maintains that kind of hydrated feel, thus keeping it healthy. I like to call this the Ashton hack. So you want that skin tight, expensive, and just ready to go with no puffiness, no readiness. This is the thing that's gonna help you. Dump your face in that ice cold water for just 30 seconds every morning. Keep it consistent and you're gonna see change. Your skin will just keep glowing. You won't even believe it. So you don't even need to go to that expensive spa. What you basically need is to steam your face. So before having your shower, just take off 5 minutes, immerse yourself in the steam for just 5 minutes. It's gonna open up all your pores and it will keep you fresh because you'll be letting out all the junk from the skin. And then you can add on your cold water, as we talked before. Cold water is always much better than warm water. There, you're gonna have that tight skin that's not puffy, that's not reddish or even ashy. This might sound like it's a little bit too far-fetched, but it's actually a very crucial thing, using a clean face towel. Some of you guys use the same towel for your feet, for your body, for your face. You're transferring bacteria all the way from the other body parts to your skin. Your skin is very sensitive. You have to just keep it exclusive from the rest of what you use the other body parts for. Have your face towel clean and only for your face. That will reduce on the amount of bacteria that go into your face, and there you won't be suffering anything like pimples or other issues that come with using dirty towels. Yeah, I know we can be on a budget and all that, but please stop using the same bar of soap for your body, for your shoes, for your face, for everything. Like, bruh, that white star has suffered enough. So whenever you use laundry soap for your skin, you're just burning your skin. You're burning the good bacteria that's supposed to make your skin glow. You're burning the pores. You're just like killing yourself without knowing. And then you end up complaining that you're having a dry skin. So getting a dedicated soap for your face, for your skin, is always gonna boost your facial by like 1,000 times. And in case you found this helpful, don't forget to sub and like. Follow us on all our media platforms, X, TikTok, Instagram, and I remain Prince Frank with you on the 360 Fashion.